Hey Laura,
Hey, what's up, man?
my store isn't getting any sales. Do you think you could take a look at it?
Yeah, for sure. Let me check it out. Let's take a look here. First off, this product that you're selling, margin is super low and it doesn't solve a problem. You want to make sure that the product solves a problem and that it has a minimum of a $20 profit margin. All right?
Okay.
And a lot of things going on with your website. Your images aren't crisp, clear. You don't have any lifestyle images. You don't have a header bar with some type of urgency to drive customers to purchase now. Your product description, man, needs a lot of work. You're focused a lot on the features of the product, but you need to be focused on the benefits of the product. All right, so I'm looking at your ads here. You're running, I see Pinterest ads. Man, the Pinterest ad that you're running, you don't have a bid cap on your ad. Your video creative is not really enticing and showing what the product does for the customers in the first 5 seconds. Click-through rate is really low. So I would go back to the drawing board and really create a solid video so you could start advertising it and market your product correctly. Also work on your headlines of your ad and your description of your ads. And I think those are the 3 things that I would do for you, and you should be good to go.